Hey friends, it's Marie here again for Tonic Studios, and I get to share the new stamp club for the month. And I think that this stamp club is mermazing. Get it? It's a pun. Okay, I'm just gonna get into showing you the stamps and the dies and move away from all of the terrible puns and jokes. So let's take a look. All right, this is this month's stamp set. I'm gonna grab a piece of white paper to put it behind my stamp so that you can see it a little bit better. Here they are. This is so cute, guys. This is a mermaid theme. Like I said, it's pretty mermazing. So we've got some little mermaids here, and a little dolphin friend and a narwhal, along with some other little images here. So I just want to kind of lay these out, let you see them. These were so much fun to color using all kinds of different alcohol markers from Tonic, adding some little details with white gel pen. Like this little girl here, I gave her some details on her fins and flippers. And this guy here, I put a few little white dots on his back. So you can add detail with white gel pens if you like to, with your coloring. I used alcohol markers, but you can use watercolor. I think that would go really fun with the theme. You could use colored pencil, anything you like to go ahead and color these fun little images. Now, like I said, we've got a narwhal, we've got some dolphins, we've got all of these fun mermaids. There is a treasure chest here, along with some little critters like an oyster or clamshell. I'm not sure which one has the pearl in it, oysters or clams. You guys tell me. There's a jellyfish, a starfish, a shell. Here's a little fish down here. I forgot him. That one looks like Nemo. And so we have all kinds of fun images on this stamp set. Now there's also a lot of fun stamp sentiments here that go along, like birthday fishes, make a splash, let's celebrate, good to see you, you mermaid to be mine, and you're so flippin' fantastic. So I think those are all really fun. Now, Tonic, along with the stamps for every month, they give you the die set that coordinates. So let's take a look at that one as well. I'm gonna move my stamps off to the side. And here is the die set. Now, most of the dies in this kit this month coordinate with the stamp. So I use all of the little coordinating pieces to cut out the stamp images. But there's also a few extras. So they have these little coral pieces, which I cut out and I just did a little ink blending on. So you could build a cute little ocean scene with those. There's this little wave piece here if you want to cut that into some paper, make it look a little wavy. Here's another wave piece as well. And then down here we have these fun little dies. I kind of want to just spend a minute and show you all of these. So you have this outline die here, then you have all of this one that cuts out all of these little circles. So you could cut out a ton of little bubbles if you wanted to, and then they have these fun little inserts that are different designs that go into these bubbles. So they've got one that's got a turtle in it, there's an anchor, and this tiny one up here has some little fish in it. So these are really fun. You can layer them together. You can cut out an outline by using this outside one and the inside one, or you could go ahead and I've already made a card for us today. Make a fun little shaker card. I used this outline die just to cut out that outline on my card. Then I did some ink blending in the background, filled it with some fun sequins, and then cut these little pieces out and glued them right in there. So I thought that was really fun. Now, I didn't put this little outline piece in there, but if you wanted to, it would fit, and you could get another outline piece in there, but I kind of liked seeing through the window and making a really fun shaker card. Now, I also used this sentiment from the set, Make a Splash, and this is just a really clean and simple little shaker card. But I think it would be fun to make a card now with our little mermaids. So let's go ahead and make a card together with this month's kit.